Today we're learning about degrees. Degrees are units that we use to measure the openings of angles. An angle that's closed begins at 0 degrees. Once the top ray begins to open, it'll grow from 1 degree all the way to 360 degrees. Watch this simulation here as we see the rotation of an angle. Anywhere between 1 and 89 degrees is an acute angle. Once we hit 90 degrees, that would be a right angle. Anywhere between 91 and 179 degrees is an obtuse angle. Once we hit 180 degrees, we now have a straight angle. Anything over 180, between 181 and 359 is a reflex angle. And once we hit 360 degrees, we have a full rotation. Notice the symbol for degrees is this little dot right here. That's the symbol that we use to show us that whatever number we're showing you is in degrees. And down here, you'll note that this right here is the size of 1 degree. Okay? Later on this week, you're actually going to have a protractor that you will use to measure the width of angles. But in today's lesson, you will learn how to determine the degrees of an angle using the fractional parts of a circle.